Guys, welcome to the Point, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A50. So let's get begin. Okay, here's the device, and now you can see the specs of this device. I got the 64GB version of it. Okay, now we're gonna cut this up and unbox the device. Yeah, this is the device, and I'm gonna put away this for a little time. Here's the paperwork, and also got the back cover. Okay, this is the power brick. This device has 15-watt fast charging, so this helps to power this up. And also got USB to Type-C cable. And also got the Samsung branded earphone. Okay, now we're gonna remove the stickers. Wow, actually it's so thin and lightweight. And here you can see the speakers, USB Type-C port and audio port. And in the right corner you can see the volume knob and power button. Actually you can buy this for 4 different colors. Okay, we're gonna boot this up. This comes with 4GB RAM and Exynos 9610 chipset. Whoa, look at the detail of it. Actually this display is Super AMOLED display, 6.4 inches display. My favorite part of this device is that notch. I love that. And also the night mode. I'm gonna turn this up. Oh, look at that. Okay, now we go to settings and the display settings. Here we can see the light. I'm going to turn off this and turn on the night mode. extra information. Actually, this comes from Android 9.05 and the 1-year version of Samsung customized OS. This device has a display with sensor and we can set up this. And I'm gonna add some pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna put my finger on display. Yeah, actually it's a little bit harder than I thought. It's got too much time. Okay, I think be done. Now check this out. Oh, it's work. Not so fast, but it's work. Okay, let's talk about the cameras. Actually, this device has triple camera lenses with depth camera and ultra-wide camera. This is the main camera and this is the ultra-wide angle camera. Look at the difference of these pictures.
Let's have a bit of fun.
Camera performs so well.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're
This is the live focus feature.
other side, my love.
This is some sample pictures taken with Samsung A50. Actually, this is a mid-range phone, but the camera performs like a flagship device.
You wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.
Okay, that's it.
Audio Jungle.